We'll guide you through how to make icon shine effect in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the tutorials smoothly without any issues. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project, and start with a clean workspace. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project before editing. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm your settings. Next, click Import, select the icon you want to use, then click Open to add it into the media library. Drag and drop the imported icon into the timeline section so you can begin working on it. Next, click Stock Media, then add a motion background to the timeline to enhance the visual appearance. Add a solid background that contrasts with the icon color, for example green, so it is easier to separate later. Select the solid background and the icon. Then click the snapshot icon and click OK to capture the composition. Delete the solid background and add the snapshot to the timeline, making sure the layer order is correct for proper visibility. After that, click the AI matting panel to access advanced editing tools. Then enable chroma key, select the solid background color, and enable the alpha channel. Next, open the mask panel, then choose parallel line to create the shine effect shape. Adjust the size in the preview, then set the rotation to 30 degrees to angle the shine. Next, adjust the blur strength to 23% to soften the edges. Set the initial position of the shine effect, then add a keyframe to mark the starting point. Next, move the timeline to the end to prepare the animation. Then set the final position of the shine effect and add another keyframe. Check again and adjust any incorrect keyframes so they align at the end for smooth motion. Next, make sure the duration of each layer is the same to avoid timing issues. Then, click the full screen icon to view clearly. Preview the result, and the icon shine effect in Filmora is successfully created.